Hi guys, I'm Danielle from GetTestObsessed.com, and in today's short video, I'm bringing you 6 words that all share the same root: contra, counter. If there is one lesson that I want you to take away from today's video, it's that if you see a word that uses counter or contra on the TOEFL, you want to know that it's indicating that it is the opposite or goes against whatever the original thing is. That means if you don't recognize the word, but you recognize this, you can get a clear sense of the tone and have a better chance of understanding the overall meaning. But which words are most likely to come up on the TOEFL? I've picked 3 that use contra as the root and 3 that use counter. So contra, to begin with, is something that test takers should absolutely know. The common pattern of integrated essays is to hear a lecture that contradicts the information in the reading passage. To contradict means to say or assert the opposite of a particular position. This is why the information stated by the professor tends to run contrary to what is said in the reading. If people are disagreeing, you're likely to hear these words. To put it another way, the integrated essay frequently asks you to show how the lecture contrasts the points made in the reading. If you're writing a compare and contrast essay, the contrast portion is where you highlight the lack of similarities. The closely related term counter is unique because you can use it on its own as both a noun and a verb. If you counter, you come back in opposition to something. If someone makes you an offer, for example, you may counter or present a counteroffer. It can also be used in these common combinations: counteract, counterclockwise, and counterfeit. Counteract is the most general, to work against something, to reduce the original, or to neutralize it entirely. Counterclockwise is to indicate the direction that something is moving in. It goes in the opposite way the hands of a clock move. Useful for if you are putting things together or if the professor is trying to explain the movement of something in particular. And counterfeit, this is going to be something that goes against what is considered real and genuine, as this is something that is fake or an imitation. And 2 bonus words that are derived from our original roots. Cons, as in the phrase pros and cons, means the disadvantages or drawbacks. And incontrovertible is something that cannot be refuted, something you can't go against. It is indisputable fact. And that is it. Thanks for tuning in. Whether you're writing the integrated essay, listening to an argument between political pundits, or reading directions, knowing these words is useful. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at GetTestObsessed and GetTestObsessed.com. Till next time, bye guys.